OTG. Welcome back. We highlight people, places, and things. Oh, I've been waiting for this interview the entire conference, and I really mean that.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh my gosh. Please introduce yourself to the world.
So my name is Danit Peleg. I am a 3D printing fashion designer, and I made a project in collaboration with the amazing Nouns DAO, and I'm so happy to present it here in NFT Paris.
That's fantastic. I do have to comment that I've never seen the yellow Nouns Vision. Those are so good. Yes.
And yeah, Nouns Vision, I used it in my photo shoot for my designs, and it's made all the looks look much better.
Oh my gosh. And I can't even describe these pieces to people. So when you say 3D fashion, what does that mean? What if someone had never seen that before?
Yeah,
what are we looking at here?
So I'm using all the different 3D printed technologies that literally available today in 2023 in order to create this collection. So it's really like an experimental with pushing the boundaries of 3D printed fashion. The structures that I'm using are mostly flexible, using a flexible material that really allowing the fabrics to be more soft and wearable.
Oh, wow. I love that.
But I've been doing it for 5 years now.
Oh, that's cool. And so does each piece get printed separately and then you have to assemble them together?
Yes. Most of them are printed separately, but I am using my own printers that I develop, which is half a meter by half a meter.
Oh my God.
On some of the garments. So really allowing me to print a skirt in 4 pieces.
And that's incredible. I mean, you are a fantastic example of a woman who is leading us in this industry by utilizing technology. And so I so appreciate you. And how I also want to highlight you is the fact that to come here to NFT Paris, you submitted a proposal to Nouns DAO.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yes, and it's successful proposal.
Three proposals.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so my project was, I broke it down into 3 milestones.
Okay.
It started, I think, proposal 26.
Okay.
So really early.
Oh, wow.
And the first proposal was just making the sketches.
Okay.
And the community liked it. So I suggested another proposal to make the sketches in digital files and then bring it into the first Fashion Week metaverse in Decentraland.
Yes.
And then the last proposal was literally a month ago or a month and a half when NFT Paris reached out and they were like, we love the nouns. They saw the digital style, so they wanted me to bring it to here.
Wow.
And I said, we should print them.
Yeah.
It's going to be cool as if we'll have the digital and the physical next to each other. So they said, okay, so I wrote another proposal, which is presenting it, the collection of NFT Paris, and actually 3D printed.
Oh my God. And that is such a huge feat in itself that you have 3 successful Nouns DAO proposals. So just hats off to you.
Thank you.
Literally, that is just such a fantastic accomplishment. And it shows the kind of builder that you are, because people are consistently seeing what you're doing and continuing to vote for you. And you're such a great example for any future proposers because you really broke it down into these levels.
Right. I think it's really important when you work with a DAO like Nouns to build a trust and to be communicative with the community and show the process of making. So, once you build a trust, then you will get more votes and, and it will just continue. So
it's iconic. And I just want you to know too, I have a not a fashion background of design, but I went to fashion school.
Oh,
really? I ended up doing visual communications and then got into PR and stuff too. But my roommates were designers and stuff too. But I really am into editorial shoots. I interned at Elite Model Management in high school and stuff too. And so I love the whole model industry. But the photos I saw when I turned the corner, before the first day of the conference that you took with the 3D fashion of these women holding these noggles in such this beautiful feminine way. It was the coolest photos I have seen so far of people wearing the noggles.
Yay, thank you.
I really mean that. And so your vision is just on point and so unique as well within the Nouns. And I just think that you offer such this great thing. What do you think is next? Are you already thinking about your next thing that you want to iterate?
Well, first, I want to sleep for a month.
I was going to say, wait, I hate when people say that because it's wait, please. I want to celebrate what you just did. I'm what's next? You know what I mean? And also, Vogue picked up the story.
Right. Vogue broke up the story, which was amazing. And I'm very happy about it. And NFT New York invited me to present the collection. So, I'm happy to just bring it like make like a I don't know like a roadshow, like bring it to different
Oh my
stages
gosh,
and
yes.
museums and galleries, and maybe mint the designs and give half to the DAO, back to the DAO.
Wow.
I don't know, like give something back to the community in a way, and yeah, I don't know.
Well, that's so cool. If you ever put something forward, just gotta let me know. You have my support 100%.
Thank you.
I really hope to see you in New York. It's kind of another perfect place for your work and your fashion and
It's in
stuff
1
too.
month, so we'll see if it's gonna
Okay,
happen.
and it's coming up.
Coming up.
Well,
really.
thank you so much again.
Thank you
I am so happy you got this
Thank you
interview.
for having me.
Yes, yes, and thank you guys for always tuning into OTG, where we highlight people, places, and things, and we will see you guys at the next one. Yeah.
See you.